So, hello, you're very welcome to our sensory room here in Santa Maria. My name is Anna and I'm an SNA here. Our sensory room is adjacent to our ASD classroom, and this is the room that some of our students would come to that may have sensory issues. They would come here to self-regulate, they would feel calm, they would be able to focus when they spend time in here. And a lot of our students may have some sensory issues, so this would help to regulate them so that they would be able to return to the classroom and be able to focus in on the work or the tasks that they have to do when they come back from the sensory room.
I'm Chris Holloway. I'm the special needs coordinator in the school. We have provision for special needs across the school, both in the special class and in mainstream. We have 2 special classes. We have an ASD class and a class for pupils with moderate learning needs. In both classes, you'll find teachers and SNAs working together. They provide that provision depending on the pupils. We also have provision in mainstream classes, both from teachers and then SNAs with the care needs for pupils. We try to reduce the amount of time that we do take pupils out of mainstream classes as they'll be losing their academics. However, where the need is, we will look at it and pull those pupils for a short amount of time outside of classes.
Hi, my name is Miss Lynn. I'm one of the teachers here at Sancta Maria. I work in the ASD unit and I teach the students here a mixture of music and life skills. So I work with these students twice a week and I teach them a mixture of music and life skills. As I was saying, I try to incorporate a mixture of body percussion, tonic salsa, and looking at instruments of the orchestra. So I find with music therapy, it really helps the students to regulate themselves and express themselves in a way that they normally wouldn't be able to as they're non-verbal. And it just brings an element of calmness into the classroom, which allows for huge job satisfaction as well.
Hello, my name is Trish and I have been working in the autism classroom for 6 years now. I started in 2017 with our girl Jessica, who graduated yesterday. We have 3 students currently in this room, 2 boys, Sean and Imran. We cater for children with autism and we use this as our base. We also bring the children and integrate them into mainstream classes where appropriate. The mainstream classes that they attend tend to be the practical classes, PE, woodwork, home economics, to name a few. We also have a sensory room next door and it is used for the children if they need to regulate and if they're feeling overwhelmed. This is a fantastic facility to have in Lewisburg. Not all schools in the area cater for children with autism. We also are very lucky to have an extension with 2 new ASD classes coming in the next couple of years.
Hello, Richard Berkeley is my name. I'm one of the guidance counsellors here at Sancta Maria College in Lewisburg with Marion Gill, who's also a counsellor. And we run the guidance programme and the wellness and wellbeing in the school. This is what we call the well area. It's a space within the school for students to come if they're struggling at any stage during the day, just for a bit of chill out time, just to come and maybe visit one of us. We also have a nurse's station here if anyone's not feeling well.
Hi, my name is Aoife O'Toole and I work here in the well in Sancta Maria College. And part of my role in the well is I meet and greet students coming to the well that drop in for a visit, and I'm also a qualified nurse, so I offer medical care to their students on a first aid basis, or sometimes students that have health issues. I'll monitor from this side and I'll liaise closely with their parents and the student to make sure that they're getting looked after in the best way possible here in Sancta Maria College.
This is our cubby. It's a space that the students can go in and we can play different videos and music just to relax and de-stress, and there can be individual programs, and we have a seating area outside. And I suppose it's just that, when we have such a busy day for students and things going on, it's nice that they've somewhere to come and relax and see a happy face, get a little bit of support and see what we can do for them. It's very important with a school environment that we have those facilities for the students. Being a teenager these days can be very difficult in terms of growing up, adolescence, friend groups, the demands of school, junior cert, leaving cert. So it's nice to have this space and the people here to support students through that. We've a range of different wellbeing programs throughout the school, both formal and informal, that the students can use. And it's just nice for them to have that. We are known as a caring school. and we do look after our students the best that we can. And this is just one small part of what we do, the well area. We have many programs. We have a well on Wednesday, which is just a fun activity for every Wednesday. We maybe 15 or 20 different activities that the students can opt into. Like we've chess, and we've drama, needlework, carpentry, all sorts of stuff, and then they change around. We have a pastoral care meeting every week where we keep up to date with everything. We have a mentor system, a tutor system. So I'd like to think that the students that come here are well looked after from their pastoral needs or from their well-being. We see a lot of happy faces around the place, and anyone that maybe is struggling, there's plenty of support here for them to help them through what's a busy lifestyle these days.